Kaizer Chiefs' imminent acquisition of Angolan defender Mikel Inácio from Petro de Luanda has created predicament for the club. The Angolan arrival will bring the number of foreign nationals on their roster to 6. Chiefs would have exceeded PSL limits of 5 registered foreign players. This means that the club must make a tough decision to accommodate their new signing. The team boasts a diverse roster with players hailing from various countries. Tsaitone Ditloko is from Botswana. Dove comes from Mozambique. Estin Castillo is Venezuela and Christian Seele is a Congolese national. With the recent addition of Grintwari from Rwanda, the team has no foreign slot left. Given Dove's likely extended absence and the signings of left set-back Rashun Dotle and left-back Bongansem, Amakhosi could strategically deregister Dove for the season. This move would free up a foreign player spot, enabling the registration of Inácio. It would also allow Dove ample time to focus on his recovery without the pressure of rushing back to action. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Bye.